Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we'll be learning how to create a EC2 instance with the security groups. So here today we'll be creating two EC2 instances, and we'll also ping it from one instance to the other. We'll be connecting it. So let's get started. We'll go to this EC2 service and we'll create instances. So for that we'll launch instances. We'll be selecting the base operating system as Ubuntu. Select that, and we have this t2.micro. We'll use that. Here in place of number of instances as 1, we'll take 2 instances because we are creating 2 instances now. Add tags, we'll let the storage be same as default one. Now configure this security group over here. Here we can create a new security group. As I have already created one, I'll be using the same, this web access. I'll select that and I'll review, and I'll do this review and launch. So now we'll launch it. So here we can create a new pair. If you want, you can create a new one. I have already done one, so I'll not be creating one more time. I'll be using the same. So we'll view these instances. As you can see, the two instances have been created. The instance state is still pending. We'll wait till it starts running. So we'll rename it as instance 1 and instance 2. Like it will be easy for us to recognize. I'm naming it as instance 1. Sorry, there's an error. Okay, instance 1. Save it and then rename the other one as instance 2. Okay, save it. Now what we'll do is we'll deselect this. Okay, now what we'll go to this security groups. So here we'll create a security group. Create security group. We can give the name as anything, any group name. Like I have given this as group A. Just copy paste that. You can make it same, group A. So we'll do these inbound rules later. So we'll create this security group. So this group A security group has been created. So now we'll go to this inbound rules where we'll edit this, add rule. Here we'll be using this all ICMP IPv4, and here we'll select this group A which we have given now. Then we'll save these rules. Now what we'll do is we'll go to these instances. We have this instance 1 and instance 2 where we'll first connect it. Okay, before that we can go to the terminal and get into the directory and do it, but let's go back and first let's go to these instances. Here we'll go to this, we need to first select it, sorry, instance 1. We'll go to this actions and security and we'll change these security groups. Here we'll add this group A and we'll add security group, then we'll save it. So now instance 1 is done. We'll go to this instance 2 and in actions we select this security groups, change the security groups, again we'll save it. We have added for both the group A. So now what we'll do is we'll go to this SSH client. We'll copy this command and we'll open a new window. We'll go to this downloads folder, as we have this PM in that downloads folder in directory. So here I'll be copy pasting this, sorry, not this, here this command public DNS. I'll copy paste this, enter, yes. Okay, so this as you can see, this IP address, now it's done. Now we'll go to one more window, and for the second instance we'll repeat the steps. So here I'll copy this command and I'll be running this, yes. Okay, permission delete. Okay, I am not into this downloads directory, so this is giving an error. So first you need to go to into this directory where you have this pm file. So now it's running. So we have these two IP addresses over here. Now what we'll do is, so we'll first clear it out. We have these two terminals. I'll clear it out, go to the other one. We'll do it side by side so that we'll have a good understanding. Clear it. So now what we do is we can ping it. I'll be pinging 172.31.6.179 and hit enter. As you can see, it's been successfully pinged. So because we have given the same security groups for both the instances, it's connecting. So we'll do the same with the other instance also. Here we'll ping 172.31.15.151. We'll enter. So here also it's pinged successfully. So this shows like if we have this same group, then we can like our both instances are connecting to each other. So it's successfully done. So now we'll make some changes in the security groups. So let's go there and here to these security groups. Okay, I'll create one more security group as group B. And here also I'll name the same as group B. So instead of doing it here, we can, okay, here we can do it over here. We need to change this custom TCP. Okay, here to this and group we'll specify group A for now and check it. So now what we'll do is we'll go back to these instances and we'll change this instance to security. We'll select this and in the actions we'll select the security and we'll change this security options for this security groups. We'll remove that and we'll add up this group B. So we have changed for this instance 2. Let the instance 1 remain same. So now we'll run this. It should not ping or connect. We'll clear it first. So as you can see, one is connected to the other, but I mean you can see this instance is not it's not running because we have changed this security groups. The changes made here from first instance it is having the same group, so this is running, and the other one is not running. So we'll stop this, and now we'll go back and make the changes. So here before that, like first we'll go to this security groups. Here we'll go to the group B, group 1, group A. Okay, we'll make this as group, just a second. We'll save the rules. And now we'll go to these instances and we'll make the changes. Before that we'll go to this terminal, and we'll ping it and see. We'll clear it out first. Control C. Okay, we'll clear this out too. So now we'll run the command, we'll ping it. So this one is running. Okay, this one is not running, so I might have made some mistake. So okay, I got it. I might have used this group 1, so here I have to use this group A. Group 1 was previously done for this practice purpose, sorry. So let's make the changes, let's make the correction. So it's group B. So I had made the changes in group 1, it should be done in group A. Sorry for that. We'll save these rules. Now it should connect. So it's already started, see. So it's pinged properly. So both of these are connected to each other, like both of these instances are connected. So this is how we will create these instances with these security groups. So before closing this, you need to exit both the terminals. I mean the IP address is there, so exit, enter, exit this one also, exit. So we'll close the terminals. So make sure you stop the terminals and also terminate it to avoid unnecessary billings. So here however we are using the free tier, but it's a good habit to like stop and terminate these instances, terminate both the instances. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood how to like create instances with this using these security groups and all. So that's all for today's video. Thank you. We'll meet up in the next video. Bye.